Hi beauties, it's me Evie and I am back with a Boxy Charm. I purchased this monthly. This is the base box. And so I wanted to just share what's in my box for the month of May. The box is super small this month, but I feel like the products are not. As if you've watched my gifted box, you will know that the theme is Boxy Flourish. And let's just jump right into it. So the first thing we have, because I have used this before, but a different type. So this is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brightens, lets your skin come through to deliver a natural, lit from within, youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish, includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. I love this. I love Tarte's facial stuff, especially like their Shape Tape and stuff. This is awesome. Look at this. It is a egg-shaped sponge, and then you just twist it? Oh, it also has, oh, you know what? I haven't seen this packaging before. Okay, I think that actually comes out, people. Oh my God, it's like a little eraser. And I'm sure you can blot it. And then it has the dabber, which is the normal. That is so awesome. I have not seen this packaging. And then it has the little lid to keep the on-the-go spongy in there. That is so cool, Tarte. I am loving Tarte's packaging. Their moisturizer that I use has been the first packaging like that I've seen, and I absolutely love the little push down. So this is another great packaging. Congratulations, Tarte, on such good packaging of the product. Retails for $27. Okay, so the next product is from Hey Honey. It's Come Clean Properous Minerals Facial Scrub. A rich exfoliating Dead Sea soft scrub designed to be gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. That's pretty good. So that's a really good promise. I hope that it will keep up to that because, you know. So it buffs away the dead skin, rehydrates the skin, and restores minerals. The result is clearer, smoother, and brighter skin. I will be excited I'll be excited to try this because, you know, I like brighter skin. It smells pretty good too. I think it smells good. Let's just, oh, that smells good. What does that smell like? That smells so good. It's like, almost like a banana pineapple mixture. So this is the packaging, and this goes for $29. This is going to go straight down to my shower. Next product is from a brand that I love, which is First Aid Beauty. This is Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. Here's the packaging. This is formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. This complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone and long-lasting makeup when used as a prep step. And it does smell like coconut. I already smelled it. I love it. First Aid Beauty has been a brand that time and time again has just proven its proven that it is a brand to reckon with. I have bought First Aid Beauty, and I've also been trying it in the boxes that I get each month. So this is retailed for $30. First Aid Beauty is also more affordable than, say, other products in the beauty skincare line. No. So this is the only double product I have received in my 2 boxes, from the gifted box and my base box. This is from Seattle, London, and it's a shadow flip. And if you watched the other video, it is a metallic liquid shape shifting pigment. I'm not going to put that one on me because I'll probably give this one away. It is a cruelty-free product, and it retails for $20. And then the last thing in my box is from Beauty Creations. It's a Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. I'm actually kind of psyched that you could pair all this stuff together for a very simple summer facial routine. Pretty packaging. Let's see what the product looks like. Oh, very pretty. So this is Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Hydrating Primer. It's an easy as prep and step, and this new face product creates the perfect canvas for a seamless application while giving the skin a luminous effect or shine-free matte finish. It brightens, softens, and boosts skin radiance, and this retails for $15. That is my May box. Remember, it's BoxyCharm Flourish, and I loved that my box was actually all skincare except for the one product. I love, love, love a skincare box because I am all about the skin. And when summer comes, you know, of course, your skincare changes up. So thank you for tuning in, and I will talk to you later. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button to be updated. And remember, be your own beautiful.